Welcome to ez.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is find the product of the polynomials, and we have given the two polynomials y square minus 0.4y plus 0.2 and minus 0.2y square minus 0.3y minus 4. Now firstly multiply this 0.2 to that whole bracket one by one. So 1 into minus 0.2, 1 into minus 0.2 y square into y square plus minus 0.2 into minus 0.4 y square into y plus 0.2 into minus 0.2 y square. Now multiply this whole bracket by minus 0.3, so minus 0.3 into 1 y square into y plus minus 0.4 into minus 0.3 y into y plus 0.2 into minus 0.3 into y minus, now remaining 4y square minus 4 into minus 0.4y minus 4 into 0.2. So there will be minus 0.2 y to the power 4 plus 0.08 y cube minus 0.04 y square minus 0.3 y cube plus 0.12 y square plus minus 0.06 y minus 4 y square plus 1.6 y minus 0.8. So here minus 0.2 y to the power 4 plus, now take coefficient of y cube together, so minus 0.08 minus 0.3 into y cube plus take a coefficient of y square together, so minus 0.04 plus 0.12 minus 4 into y square, take a coefficient of y together now, plus minus 0.06 plus 1.6 into y minus 0.8. So it is minus 0.2 y to the power 4 minus 0.22 y cube minus 3.92 y square plus 1.54 y minus 0.8. Hence product of the polynomials y square minus 0.4y plus 0.2 into minus 0.2y square minus 0.3y minus 4 is minus 0.2y to the power 4 minus 0.22y cube minus 3.92y square plus 1.54y minus 0.8.